Hi guys, it's Sam. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to be doing a how to keep your room clean at all times. If any of you are anything like me, my room is always a mess. It's actually a mess right now as I'm filming this. So in this video, the first part is going to be me giving you tips on how you can improve your room and keep it clean all the time going into the new year and just throughout the whole entire year and everything like that. The second part of the video is going to be me actually using my tips to clean my room, and I just thought this would be a fun way to kind of like get into the spirit of the new year and everything like that. So with all that being said, if you guys like the video, please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more content from me, and leave me a comment down below because it really does help my channel grow. With all that being said, let's get into the video. So the first thing that I have on my list is to keep things in an order that you want to see them. So what I mean by this is if you have your furniture in a way in your room that makes you happy and that makes you always want your room to look a certain way, you are going to be more motivated to keep your room looking clean rather than if you are unhappy with the way your room looks. Now, what this will do is actually allow you to feel like you are living in a new space because your mind is used to the way your room used to look, and it can actually help you stay motivated to clean your room because of how you like your room to actually look. If you are someone who actually likes the way the layout of your room looks, basically my best tip is to envision what it feels like to actually have a clean room. You know, feeling that motivation and that energy of having everything clean and working in a clean, productive space. The second tip I have is to have a designated laundry day, and as soon as your laundry comes out of the dryer, put your clothes away right away. Why I say this is because the more and more we allow ourselves to take the clothes out of the dryer and then fold them and leave them on the floor or on our beds, it is more likely for them to either get pushed to the floor or never get put away in the proper spot. So step number 3 is to set a time to clean your room every day. Basically what I mean by this is set a couple minutes on a clock every day at the same time to make sure that your room is clean. Now this could be putting away clean clothes or cleaning your counters or making your bed or anything like that. Putting your dirty laundry in the laundry room or in your laundry basket, whatever it may be. Taking about 5 to 10 minutes each day at a designated time will help you stay in a routine of things and can actually help you keep your room clean more often than usual, and it has helped me. The next tip I have is have a separate day other than laundry day to do your sheets on your bed. Basically why I say this is because I don't know about you guys, but I am not always the biggest fan of doing my laundry, and when you kind of separate it into separate days throughout the week, it goes by a lot faster and it's less stressful because then you don't have to wait around longer for your laundry to be done. You can just do one load of laundry, get it over with, and then do your sheets another day. But for me personally, I do one day of laundry and then one day of cleaning my sheets every week. Next, I have used baskets in your room to actually store things in. So this could be storing makeup in drawers and having little containers to have everything organized. This could be using baskets to put school supplies in or blankets in or whatever it may be. It helps your room and the vibe be more organized, and I personally love organization, so that is a big one for me. The next thing I have is to make your bed every single day as soon as you wake up. For me personally, this is such a productive tip because it really helps me want to be productive, and it also helps me just, you know, have a good start to my day because I feel like as soon as I wake up, when I make my bed, I'm already doing something that I'm supposed to, so it just makes me feel better, and it's also a way that you are going to keep your room clean, so it's a 2-in-1 win. Next, I have to have another designated day other than laundry day and sheet day to vacuum and dust your room. Obviously, especially because of everything going on in the world today, we want to make sure everything is very clean at all times, especially so we can stay safe and healthy, or try to. So another good thing to do is to always be on top of dusting and vacuuming your room just to make sure that it is super duper clean as much as it can be, which really could be every day if we set our minds to it. Remember that you can do literally anything that you set your mind to, and I mean that, like, it's so true. Next is kind of simple, but it's simply just when you start to see your room getting dirty again, literally just think about how it feels to have a clean room, and it will kind of put you in that mood to want to clean your room and get it looking the way you want it to. And then the last tip I have is the second you see something out of place, clean it up right away. I say this because as time goes by and as we say, oh, I'll clean that up in 5 minutes, that 5 minutes turns into an hour sometimes, or even turns into never doing it, and that's how things could kind of like build up and just become very, very dirty. So the most important thing to actually do is as soon as you see something out of place, just pick it up really quick, take the 5 seconds, put it away, and it will save save you a lot of time in the long run. But basically that's all the tips I have to how to make your room really clean at all times. And now I'm going to show you what my room actually looks like right now, because it is a disaster. We are going to clean it and use the tips that I said in this video. So with all that being said, here's your little reminder to subscribe if you haven't already, and leave me a comment down below letting me know what your favorite tip I said so far was in this video, or comment a new one down below so we can help each other out. And lastly, give the video a huge thumbs up because it helps me know if you guys are liking my content and what I can do to improve on it. Okay, let's get into cleaning my room because it really needs to be done right now. So this is what my room currently looks like. Like I said, it is literally a disaster. It does not look good at all, and I seriously need to clean it. This is what everything looks like, and we are going to clean it right now because I honestly really need to. It is making me so stressed out. Okay, so it is a couple days later. I'm not going to lie. I looked at my room and then I got really discouraged and did not want to clean it, and that is why it is so important to keep things clean as we see things getting dirty so that you don't get discouraged. But right now I am just so anxious with the way my room looks. I just showed you guys how it looks, and it probably looks a little worse than the clip that I filmed the other day because it got worse, but I am going to clean it right now because I am getting very anxious with how it looks, which is not good. So the first thing I'm going to do is pull all the clothes that are on my floor, and yes, they are clean, but my floor is clean. I promise. I did clean my floors a couple days ago, so don't worry, they are clean. I got all these clothes for Christmas and I filmed a haul, and that's basically what my room looks like after I film a haul. So I have to hang all of them back up in my closet, so that's the first thing I'm going to do because I feel like it's the easiest thing that I have to do. Putting away everything that was on my floor into my closet right here. And the next thing I wanted to talk to you guys about was these little containers. So I got these containers either from Target or Marshall's. I think it was Marshall's, and they're just these pink little containers. They're so cute, and this is basically how I store all my stuff. So for example, in this one there is a lot of art supplies which I use for my bullet journal, and basically I just keep all my stencils in here. I keep all my markers in here and my post-it notes and like my rulers and everything like that. And then whenever I want a bullet journal, I just take this out of my closet and everything is very neat and organized. So I wanted to show you guys that this is another thing that I do, which I think is really, really helpful for organization and always keeping your room clean. So right now I'm going to put these in my closet because they were just on my floor, and obviously they're supposed to go away in my closet. So this is all my laundry. The next thing I'm going to do is start doing some wash because it really needs to be done. I just put all my clothes away so everything is out of the dryer, and I actually just started another load of wash for my mom, and right now I'm just going to dust my room and then we will be all done. Alright, so now my room is completely clean and I'm really happy with how it looks. I would show you guys what it looks like, but I did want to hold off on that because I am redoing a lot of my room and part of it is already up, so I don't want to give it away. So definitely keep an eye out for that video. I'm not sure when it will be up because I'm waiting for some stuff to still come to my house because I ordered it online, but please stay tuned for that video because I am really happy with what I put up so far. But with all that being said, that's about it for this video. If you guys liked it, please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content for me. And with all that being said, thank you guys again for watching. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what your favorite tip is to actually keep your room clean and everything like that. And with all that being said, thank you again for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!